Electrolube's FLU Fluxclene is a fast-drying solvent cleaner specially formulated for the quick and efficient removal of flux residues after soldering. It comes in aerosol and brush forms for easy application. Remember to clean the brush before each use to ensure no contaminants are added to the board. Tilt the board and start at the top, working downwards so that the contaminants are washed down and off the board. Originally designed to replace ozone depleting solvents such as CFC 113, it exhibits enhanced cleaning performance and fast evaporation rates, easily giving MIL standard cleanliness. Use FLU to give a final rinse after cleaning. FLU is available from distributors globally and can be found as the cleaner of choice at the IPC hand soldering competitions at electronics exhibitions around the world.